Hello everyone and welcome back to Youngcraft Academy. So in this video we are going to make a game in Scratch called Alien Shooting Game. Okay, so let's go. It will be very easy, simple and understandable. So let's go. First of all, we will go to Scratch programming. So Scratch programming. Okay, so we'll create here. Okay, so let's go. Now we'll go to create option. Okay, our code editor of ice customer memory open, so we'll delete this sprite first. Okay, now what we are going to do is we'll select a backdrop first. Okay, so we'll select a backdrop. Here it is backdrop. So हजुरहरूले कहाँबाट पाउनुहुन्छ भन्दाखेरि backdrop will share you on our drive. Okay, you will download it from the description link of the YouTube of this video. Okay, so we'll open it. Okay, and we'll fit this first, convert to vector. Okay, and we'll fit this like this. Okay, so like this you can just fit this. Okay, the side one is perfectly aligned, the upside little bit is there gap, so we'll fix it that as well. Okay, like this. Okay, so our I will delete this one. Okay, our main backdrop will be like this. Now what I'm going to do is I need a 4 sprite in total. Okay, so we'll make it. One is our space, that is our rocket. Okay, so we'll make this size at 70. And what I'm gonna do is we'll go to the costume. I will convert it to vector. Okay, now just I will just make it small little bit. Okay, so that, and make it to the center. Okay, like this. Okay, so our rocket size will be this much. Okay, it will suit. Now I'll go to the code again. I will select another sprite. We need a laser light as well, so I'll select this laser light. You'll get this in what you say in the drive in the description. Okay, convert this to vector. Okay, just simplify like this. Okay, and just make sure the up point will be like this. So I'll just rotate it like in the straight path. Okay, like this. Let me minimize this so that it will be okay. So let me make it okay. Size I will decrease it from here. I will just make it as a 10. Okay, because I just need a small light only. Okay, just I will do like this. Okay, I'll fit here. So the light will the laser will come out from the center of the rocket. Okay, so like this. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'll select a alien also. Okay, so for alien I will use this one. Okay, alien. Okay, so the alien size is also too much, so we will just make it little bit small. So we'll just put this into the center. Okay, like this. So and the more small, so I will just make it as 70. 70 didn't give. Wait, let me make this. It's 70. Okay, 70 is also too big because 50, I guess. So okay, 393 I have that 50. Okay, 50. Okay, 53 is good. Okay, like this. Now what I am gonna do is I need a game over sprite. Total 4 sprite we needed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'll select this text T. I'll select the pixel. Okay, I'll color just color red. Okay, I'll not, I need a saturation also too high. Okay, like this. Okay, now I'm going to select here. I'll write game over. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'll select this arrow key. I'll just maximize this so that it will be seen properly like game over. Okay, like this what we are gonna do it. Okay, so what we have done is till now we have selected a backdrop. We have created 4 sprite in total. Okay, now we need 2 variables also. One is for score. Okay, and another is for lives. We have 3 lives in total. Okay, so score lives 3. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is first we will code for the space, this spaceship. Okay, we'll set the spaceship sprite. Now let's go. First of all, what we are going to do is first go to events when green flag clicked. Okay, now we are gonna set lives. So life will be our 3 lifeline will be there. Okay, and another will be score. So directly set score to 0. Okay, now we will position this. So we'll position to go to X like this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I will just use this set rotation here so that it won't rotate. Okay, so I don't need rotate, so I'll use this set rotation style to don't rotate. Now what I'm going to do is I'll use this forever loop. So for what forever loop is for the movement of the ship. Okay, so what I'm going to do is if then condition I'll use. Okay, then after that write a key space. Okay, go to sensing block, use this. So instead of key space pressed, we'll use right arrow, first right arrow. Okay, so right and left arrow will change the position of left and right. Okay, so change X by using. Okay, so how much? By 8. Okay, so I'll just duplicate it, duplicate into like this. So duplicate again. Okay, but within for loop, within for, sorry, not for loop, forever loop. Okay, so we'll remove this one and this one. Okay, like this we'll remove it. So uh we'll select this one, change Y by. Okay, change Y by. Now right arrow, so left arrow, and now after that up arrow and down arrow, like this will change. So this will be minus, left arrow will be -8, so that back it will go. Up arrow will be 8. Okay, down arrow will be -8. Okay, like this we have done. Okay, so this is for our movement. If you see, look, our code is, look, okay, right. Okay, nice. Our rocket is moving all in all direction. Okay, now what we are going to do is I'll go to the events when space key pressed. Okay, so this is for the clone of the laser. Okay, so while shooting, the laser will strike into the aliens so that the alien get disappear, like it will be killed. Okay, so create clone of what? Not myself, for laser. Okay, select from here. Okay, create clone of laser like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'll go to the laser now. Laser sprite. So for laser sprite, what we are going to do is when green flag clicked. Okay, so first the original need to be hide. Okay, so we will just hide it when green flag click hide. Now what I'm going to do is I don't want to change the rotation style, so I will use this set rotation style to don't rotate. First I will fix this. Now what I'm going to do is I'll go to the I need to create a clone. Okay, so when I start as a clone, because we have already have created, right? When space key pressed, create clone of laser, right? So now we'll start the code for the clone. Okay, so when I start as a clone, go to the motion, go to this. So not go to random position, go to space, because we need to attack, we need to fire from the spaceship, right? So our laser should yeah, fire from the spaceship. So we are going to use this go to space. So now what I'm going to do is I will just change the direction. So firing should be up down, right? Up to the up side. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to the motion. So use this change Y by. Okay. Uh, Change y by how much? To till 30. 30. Okay. Change y by 30 and point in direction to 0 so that it will go up, totally upside. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'll go just show it. Okay. It will show. Now I'll add a sound, play a sound like this. I'll drag it. I'll just to record. I'll close this one and I'll just select from here. I'll just type here. You can just type LASER, laser. Okay, whatever you want to select, you can select it. I will select this laser 2, play sound laser 2 until done. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I will use this, go to the control block, repeat until. Okay, use this repeat until block. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll just um use this operator, go to operator, use this OR block. So what this OR block does is we need to have at least one condition true. Okay, so I'll use this sensing touching mouse pointer. I'll put here touching, not mouse pointer, touching alien. Okay, touching, if touching alien. So and I'll go to operator again. I'll use this greater than. I will just put it here. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just change this value 1 to 180. And for what, 180? So for y person. Okay, like this. So now I'm going to put this here. Okay, like this. So repeat until y person greater than 180 or touching alien. Okay, So now what I'm going to do is change Y. So go to motion, change Y by how much? 15. Okay. 1, 5, 15. Now what I'm going to do is I will delete the clone after touching it. Okay. So this was for the laser. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I will in another video we are going to make a code for the alien. Okay, and game over sprite as well, and backdrop is sprite backdrop. Okay. So thank you so much everyone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next video. Till then, bye bye.